import ethanol in Goa. There are people complaining, but people are not coming forward on camera. So what is your saying?
See, we have discussed it at the level of GOACAN with our consumer forums and all. And we are doing a very major thing on 8th of September. We observe it as Consumer Literacy Day. Now, what we are trying to explain to people, see, when a person even currently fills petrol in his four-wheeler or two-wheeler, you ask anybody, what is the capacity of your tank? 90% of the consumers will tell you, I don't know, or they will say 35, 45, etc. Because many of the companies now have removed that clause which says how much petrol will go in your tank. Now, this is the first important thing. See, the manual is given to the consumer never reads it. Now, second point, I go to buy petrol. Current price of petrol is inclusive of all taxes, correct? But what is the actual basic cost of petrol? Nobody knows. So what we are going to do is from 8th of September, we are launching a statewide campaign. We are asking consumers to go to the complaint book of the petrol pump and write down first. We want a breakup of our petrol cost first. Secondly, what is E10? I as a consumer don't know. Please explain to me what is E10. What is E20? What is ethanol? I don't know. So how can you give me a product without explaining to me? So Consumer Protection Act 2019 is very important first, right to safety. Due to this ethanol, if there is some problem to my life, my vehicle, something happened, my right to safety is endangered. Second is right to be informed. Every consumer has a right to be informed of all aspects of the product. And third, right to choose. We are saying you need to give us a choice. I want just say Indian Oil. They have some blended petrol, which they call super petrol or whatever. You can pay. You have to pay more, you take that petrol. So, right to choice. I'm saying I want basic petrol without ethanol. Where is my right to choice? So, we are going for a large campaign from 8th of September where consumers will go and write in the complaint book. And in the complaint book, we are asking the company to reply to us. And we are going to take it step by step. As you know, the consumer courts all over the country have become aware of this. Some people have already filed and some judgments also have come. They may go in appeal, that's a different question. But today we are saying the time has come for the consumer to know his right and learn to file complaints. See, most people do not know that there is a complaint book. If you visit the petrol pump, I would request you also, please visit these petrol pumps of the three companies, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum and Indian Oil. And please look at their complaint books. In fact, there has to be an announcement at the petrol pump saying complaint book is available. It is a complaint and suggestion book. See, we are not saying everything in a negative way. We are GOACAN. We are saying GOACAN, not Goa cannot. What our point is, we want information. Give us, no? Today, I am facing the problem where consumers are asking us, where is the information? There is no information. So, we are saying, this is the right time to make the consumer aware. As they are purchasing other goods also, they will develop this culture of getting information. So, this is what we are going to do.